Hi, Caroline here. I am the founder and the smooth operating officer here at Love Scrub to answer all your questions about African exfoliation. If you have a skin condition, I would say please do not use Love Scrub. I think it's going to make it worse. It's going to irritate it. You don't want to exfoliate your skin conditions. Like if you have eczema is already so uncomfortable. So to exfoliate it is just going to make it so much worse. Sensitive skin, I would completely stay away from it. You know, this product was not intended for sensitive skin at all. It's intended for people that have normal skin, and that's what we would like everybody to use it for. So just be really careful. We do have a message on the box that also says if you have skin conditions, do not use, because it's just going to make it worse. Please feel free to check out our website to learn more and also to pick up an authentic African mesh body exfoliator. You'll thank us later.